Anyways, hey guys, how's it going? Nick here. Not in the shop like normal. I'm at home at my video editing gaming setup. Now the footage you're about to see, I thought I lost all of it. I thought I lost it all. I thought it was, I just couldn't find it. And it was a lot of work, and it's a really nice looking sword. I haven't finished it yet. I have a lot more of the video to continue. But I haven't put anything out for a while now, and I've been wanting to put something out, so here's the vid. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just forging. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoy the clip. Wanting to make a katana out of one of these for a long time, and I always make other things out of them, like machetes, or I try and make like Legolas's fighting knives from Lord of the Rings or something stupid. But like, when it's flattened out, it's a straight bar. Like, I just have to elongate it. It is almost it's almost exactly 10 inches. One of these into a sword like this. How big is this guy? And I know I've made mistakes with him. So he's 2 feet. I could probably stretch him to maybe 30 inches. That's kind of like a sword, right? Katana. right on. So now I'm going to take a picture of this. See the blade? And then the back. Nice and even. It's probably a little wonky. I'll fix that out in grinding. Or maybe I'll get her a little hot again. I don't know. I got to see how she settles. But I'm going to put her in the vermiculite after I take a picture